Based on the ADA standard that we received on state and local government, we assessed Trinity Washington University's campus. During the assessment, we noticed one main violation. Based on the violation of path of travel, it includes interior design such as restrooms and water fountains. While walking around the campus, I noticed that majority of the bathrooms were outdated. As shown in the pictures above, you can see that the bathroom stalls barely have enough space in them for someone to enter, especially if they have an assistive device. Also, the sink does not have proper spacing underneath for an assistive device to fit under, so one can wash their hands successfully. Lastly, under this violation, I noticed that the water fountain was way too tall for someone to use, and it had a button at the top to push for water to come out. If someone was to be sitting in a wheelchair and they needed to get some water, they would be unable to reach for the button and actually drink the water. So based off of the pictures and the assessment, we concluded that the campus restrooms and water fountains were not in compliance.